Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here solves LeetCode problems. Today I will solve daily challenge. The problem number 2966. Divide array into arrays with max difference, medium level. Given an integer array nums of size n and a positive integer k. Divide the array into one or more arrays of size 3, satisfying the following conditions. Each element of nums should be in exactly one array. The difference between any two elements in one array is less than or equals to k. Return a 2D array containing all the arrays. If it's impossible to satisfy the conditions, return the empty array. And if there are multiple answers, return any of them. So what we can do here, we need to divide initial array of into subarrays with length 3. So if initial array cannot be divided by 3, we need to return an empty array. So let's do this check first. If length of nums modulo 3 doesn't equal to 0, in this case return empty array. It's first condition. Second thing, the simplest way to solve it is to sort initial array and check all 3 items one by one, and in each three items we need to check the max difference between items. And because our array will be sorted, we need to check first and third items. And if the difference between first and third item less or equals to k, then add these 3 items to the final array and return it. So let's do it. First of all, let's sort array using method sort. Also, we need final a variable for a final array result and some helper array triple. I will collect all 3 items to the triple and check if triple is correct. If triple is correct, then add triple to result and reset triple. So let's do it. Let's check each num in nums. First thing, append each num to the triple. Triple append num, and each time check if length of triple equals to 3. When we have 3 nums, we need to check if they are satisfying to the second condition. So if triple 2 minus triple 0 greater than k, in this case return empty array. It means that max difference in this triple greater than k. Otherwise, let's append triple to result. Result dot append triple and reset triple. So tuple equals to empty list. And finally, return result. So that's it. Let's check tests. Test passed, submitted. It works and very efficient by time and memory. This algorithm has time complexity of n log n because we sorted initial array and sort algorithm has this time complexity. After sorting, we checked each items in the array and it has a time complexity of n. And the final time complexity is the largest part of complexity. In our case, it's n log n. Memory complexity here is linear, so of n, because I created a variable result which has the same size as the initial array nums. That's it for today. You can find the whole solution in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.